Oh. Why, hello there. Oh. Aren't they just adorable? Oh. Yeah. Oh. Hi there. Oh. What you doing? Are you playing with my shadow? You still looking at my shadow? Looking at my shadow? Oh. I just love it when they're this little. These little babies. What? What? Oh. Oh. They live outside because of the cat box. The cat box stinks. Oh, look at that. All three of you. Aren't you just adorable? Oh. Yeah. I'm at Dave's house. This is his baby kitties. Oh. Baby kitties at Dave's house. Yeah. Oh. Look. They are just adorable. Little baby kitties. Yeah. Adorable kitties. Uh-huh. It's a little hot, huh? It's hot today. We're just hanging out in the shade. Yeah. Hanging out in the shade. Aww. Little kitties at Dave's house. Ooh, it's sunny today. Very sunny. Aww. Meow. Meow. Wait, what? She said meow? Yeah. Want me to scratch you? Oh, you're gonna play, aren't you? You're in a playful mood. Yeah.